sent her down by herself, and that was a really bad idea.
Have you ever felt the hair on your arm stand up just cause she says what's up? Have you ever felt the world is yours to take? Like the world is an open road. Your life...
This is how crazy I look right now. Sydney and I are wearing our matching bathing suits, but I don't know, I might bring a different bathing suit or change her. She doesn't want to because she's matching mommy right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you might be wondering why we're in our bathing suits. Well, maybe not Sydney, but me. So today is going to be a day in the life vlog, but we have something exciting we're gonna go do. We're gonna go to the water park. It didn't even dawn on me that we had a water park near us. Like I have only been a couple times in my life, but my friend mentioned it the other day, and I woke up today and I was like, you know what, Sydney, let's go. So Sydney and I are going to the water park today. They have a little toddler area. I don't know what to expect from it. It's probably just tiny, but she's only $6 to get in. Oh, you brought me a sandwich. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you are so cute. I'm not used to her in a two-piece though, so I'm kind of like, you know. Anyway, so I'm about to pack Sydney and I some lunch because I'm not paying for food there. It's gonna be a cheap, well, the cheapest day that we can. I think I'm $12 and I think Sydney's $6, so $18 for a day at the water park. I'm about to pack some lunch and I will take you along with us. I only have this vlog camera. I do not have like a GoPro, so I don't know how much footage I'll be able to get like in the water. And then of course I want to respect other people. But anyway, we are gonna go do the water park, and I am planning on making a decent dinner tonight. So it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so we need to go so that I can get home. I want to get home by like 3:30, 4 o'clock, depending on how our day goes. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy day in the life vlogs. If you do, give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you are new. My name is Haley, my little girl is Sydney, and I would love to have you guys a part of my channel. So let's get along with our vlog.
I'll walk across the room just to show you that I'm still around. Ask if you wanna meet somewhere later when the sun goes down. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all to myself. Oh, you're so mysterious, mysterious. I can't keep my hands to myself. I'll walk across the room, show you I'm around. Ask if you wanna meet when the sun goes down. 'Cause you're the only one who can get me so high, so high. So high, so high.
You want to do the ice?
So high, so high.
Good, you're cute. All done.
You are the only person in the world who can get me this high. So let's get into your car and go driving towards another town. Oh, you know I'm serious. I'm serious. I will keep you all.
It's an absolute zoo. Maybe not the best place for Sydney because she's like the youngest. They're all like 8-year-olds, wild 8-year-olds. They're having so much fun, but like Sydney's a timid child, so it's not a huge area, but yeah. Anyway, we're probably gonna have lunch in a little bit and I'll check in with you guys. Okay. I tried to go down the little kid slide with her and then I got in trouble because I'm too big for it. So I sent her down by herself and that was a really bad idea. She came down backwards and upside down. Like, it was traumatizing. Did you fall down the slide? Are you hungry? I know. So anyway, there's no rhyme or reason up there, and kids are just plowing into each other, going down like 4 at a time, and then plowing into each other in the end. So it's just not the most ideal for a little one. Yeah, especially not a timid little one. I think it's lunchtime. This is probably a bad idea. She's finally calmed down. We went to the bathroom. We've had a moment to chill. But I'm gonna see if she'll warm up because I did pay $18 for us to come here, so I'm hoping she warms up a little bit. I should have never put her down the slide by herself. If I didn't do that, she might have been okay. Having an absolute blast. So much fun. Are you having so much fun now? You got flowers? See this child? I'm nowhere near her. And look at her. I'm about to go near her. What a difference an hour ago. Alright, we just got home and Sydney is going to be watching Toy Story. Mama's gonna make dinner. We are both starving, and I'm gonna make chicken stir fry. She was about to fall asleep in the car, and then now look at her. It's gonna be another good bedtime. All right, chicken stir fry time it is. This chicken stir fry is a 20-minute stir fry only because of the prep of cutting up protein and vegetables, but cooking time, it seriously, you guys, is only like 10-15 minutes, if that. It's so simple and easy. I didn't want to cook after getting home from a busy day just out in the sun. I am so glad I did because it was so easy and it's so delicious, you guys. So the first thing that I do is just chop up. I use chicken tenders. You can use chicken breast or beef or whatever protein that you prefer, even just, veggies. While I was chopping up the chicken, I had some vegetable oil heating in a very large skillet, and I am going to be cooking the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until it's not pink anymore on the outside. And now I'm chopping up all of the veggies that are going to go in my stir fry. I like to use red peppers or any colored peppers that you'd like, carrots, fresh broccoli, and then those are the raw vegetables. Oh, and also some green beans. I actually forgot that I bought those, so I put those in after the fact.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. you were sleeping by my side. What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away?
Once I added the vegetables to the skillet with the chicken, I stirred it around a little bit here and there, and I let the vegetables cook on medium heat for about like 5-ish minutes until they got tender, maybe 5-10 minutes. So I'm actually using Trader Joe's vegetable fried rice. You guys, this takes 5 minutes to cook, and it comes in a bag frozen with the vegetables in it already. And I just put this in a skillet with a little bit of vegetable oil. Once the vegetables were getting a little bit tender, I added canned baby corn and water chestnuts. I love the crunch that water chestnuts adds to any stir fry. I just love them. I know they're like flavorless, but the crunch gets me, and Sydney loved them as well. I just let them cook for about 5 minutes to warm all the way through.
Being to myself and sit in silence until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while.
So after about 10 minutes, the chicken was completely cooked through and nice and browned on the outside. The veggies were a little bit tender. I ended up adding some teriyaki sauce. This was the low sodium sauce that I picked up in my grocery haul very recently. And I added a little bit of this. Oh, I should have mentioned, I added salt and pepper to the vegetables and the chicken as well. I forgot to mention that. I added also a sweet Thai chili sauce. I wasn't positive if Sydney would be able to do this because it tends to be a little bit spicy, but I only added a little bit, and it is so delicious. In my opinion, it's what makes this entire dish. It is so good. The only spicy parts are the actual red pepper flakes, and Sydney gobbled this right up, and she apparently was unfazed by it, so it wasn't that spicy.
We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we
So I love adding a scrambled egg to my fried rice. To me, it just adds some texture and a little bit more flavor. So I just cracked one egg, scrambled it up a little bit, didn't add anything else to it, and then I added it to the pan with my fried rice. I just kind of let it cook and then mixed it all in. What I didn't show you was I added a little bit of the coconut aminos, just a couple of dashes to the fried rice, because the fried rice from Trader Joe's actually doesn't have any like seasonings or flavorings. I didn't want to get too salty, so I added a little bit of the coconut aminos. This meal was so good. I had 2 huge bowls. Sydney had a huge bowl herself, and I was just so thankful that I ended up cooking a meal, even though I was tired and I didn't want to, but it was totally worth it in only 15-20 minutes, and it was just so worth it. If you guys end up trying this, let me know.
we were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day. I didn't forget. I'm not gonna lie, I was so exhausted yesterday that after dinner, I just wanted to go to bed and relax, so I didn't end the vlog. But yeah, Sydney and I had an amazing day yesterday. I'm so glad things warmed up, and I'm so glad the big kids left when they did, because Sydney was able to take her time and warm up and have such a fun time at the amusement park. Sydney and I had a play date today. We had our friends come over, and that's why the house, we've got toys strewn everywhere, and it was so much fun. So Sydney and I have been pretty much outside all day. She is doing so well with the no nap thing. I cannot believe the change in temperament with her too. Like, she's just so much happier. She's doing better with other children. Like, it's so peaceful for me too. So I hope you guys enjoyed our day in the life vlog, and if you try that stir fry, oh my word, that stir fry was so good. I finished making it and I never showed you my face again. The stir fry was so good. I had 2 bowls of it. Sydney ate it all up, and I love doing eggs in my stir fry. It just makes it so much better. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed our day in the life vlog. We tried something new and it was so much fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
She's done. It's just about dinner time and she's done.
Whoa, oh, oh.